Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making these lovely little apple and lemon puddings. As you break through the soft sponge, you discover a beautiful apple and lemon sauce underneath. Time to get busy. So the first job is to butter these little ramekins. Any small oven-proof pots would do for this. You could even make this dish in a large pot. You would just need to increase the oven time about 10 or maybe 15 minutes. Now to cream the butter and sugar together with a little bit of extra lemon zest for flavour. As there's so much sugar in this dish, it won't become creamy like a cake batter. It'll look more like breadcrumbs, but just need to make sure that it's properly incorporated. There, that should do. Now we need 100 millilitres here. I've used the juice of 2 lemons, but I've also topped it up just to reach the 100 millilitre mark with a little bit of water, not too much. When I'm making this pudding, I like to use those really nicely yellowy, orangey egg yolks. They do make the cakes look a beautiful lemon colour. The yolks get mixed into the cake batter, and I'm going to save the egg whites for later. There's that lovely yellow colour. It makes a difference in this recipe. Let's mix the flour in first, before we add the vanilla and finally the milk. It will curdle when you put the milk in. Lemon and milk does that, but no worries, it'll be lovely when it comes out. 1 apple is plenty for this recipe, and I'm cutting it quite small to fit in these little pots. A small handful in each, not too much. Now it's time for those egg whites. We need to whisk them quite slowly at first, and then up the speed until they form nice stiff peaks. Just like that. I'm going to pop about 1/3 of the egg white in first and give it a good mix. Now in goes the rest of the egg whites, all at once, but we need to do this bit a bit gently and fold the egg whites in. Round the edge, through the middle, figure of 8 really, until it's nicely mixed in. We'll need a spoon for this, because it's quite a thin batter. And I'm going to top these little pots right up to the top, because I want a nice little dome on each one. They're almost ready to go in the oven, but one last little job, and that's a bain-marie. So I'm going to pop them in a baking tray and pop water around them about halfway up, and that will help them to set. And there we go, look at those. Couldn't you just dive in with a spoon? Here we go. I hope you've enjoyed making and baking with me today. If you enjoyed watching my recipe, then do subscribe or drop me a like. Have a great week, and I'll catch you all very soon.